How to upload an image in PDF file. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also wondering how you can easily upload an image inside PDF, here's what you need to do. So first open up your Canva design, and you can also actually upload your image or any file like PDF. So as you can see, I'm uploading my PDF file over here, and as I've already uploaded my PDF file, I'll simply head over to the next tab over here. So you can basically actually edit it accordingly however you want, and you can also actually edit all of your text, not just images. So I will simply head over to my upload section where I've already uploaded my images. You can also actually prefer to upload new one if you have one. So you can just readjust the position of your image, remove text. So I will simply make it look good by simply putting it over where it is more suitable and more readable. So once you do all of that, then you can just click on share and download the file as a PDF format itself. So once you do all of that, that is it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.